He worried that the Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, the Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers and the tightness of the wheel bolts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on hub-centric Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers. Hub-centric spacers mean there is big hole in the middle. The lug holes also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle's top and only by wheel stud. If you are using these three spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers will be the easiest solutions. As long as you use quality Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers and install them properly, they're very safe and reliable for road. Since the wheel stud and lug bolts use a clamping force to secure the Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers and wheels, if the stud or lug bolts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provide wheel bolts of BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged ACM 440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard group 4.9. With high strength, your Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers keep the wheel center and the balance on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and the wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hub of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the barrels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Mercedes G-Class wheel spacers are components that can take out the part, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.